Hello everybody, how are you all? So today we are gonna study what is price elasticity of demand. Okay, so specifically this topic we will be studying today. According to Professor Alfred Marshall, price elasticity of demand is a ratio of proportionate change in the quantity demanded of a commodity to a given proportionate change in its price. That means we know that we have taken two variables here, price and demand, and as per the law of demand, when price increases your demand will go down, as price decreases demand will go up. So here we are going to talk about how the proportionate change in price will lead to a proportionate change in demand. So how much question has been solved in this elasticity of demand chapter, so we'll go in detail. Symbolically you can write it as ED is equal to percentage change, delta sign indicates change, percentage change in quantity upon percentage change in price. Okay, so now you can simplify your formula like this: delta q upon q divide by delta p upon p, then delta q upon q multiply by p upon delta p. So this formula you can easily use. Now we'll see how many types of price elasticity of demand is there. So now this is what you can make this kind of tree diagram. Types of price elasticity of demand, there are around 5 types. So today in this video we will be talking about 3 types first. Okay, so now let's start with the perfectly elastic demand. ED is equal to infinite. Okay, so when you talk about the perfectly elastic demand, that means when a slight or zero change in the price brings about an infinite change in the quantity demanded of that commodity, it is called perfectly elastic demand. That means if your price is changing, so with that change in price, if your demand is reacting 100%. Okay, so what is the meaning of elasticity? Elasticity is nothing but the responsiveness, how much response the other factor is giving to the previous variable. Okay, so how much response your demand will give to the price. So if your price is changing, so with that change in price your demand is going to react 100%. That means there will be a complete reaction from the demand side, and then demand will change unlimitedly. Okay, so that's why it is written ED is equal to infinite. So now you can see this kind of diagram will be there for that. Okay, for example, 10% fall in price may leads to an infinite rise in the demand. Okay, so again the formula is gonna be the same. You can see here, so here we have assumed the increase in price is nothing but 10%. So now this is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. So this line is indicating that your demand is reacting 100%. Okay, now come to this perfectly inelastic demand, exactly opposite to the first one. Okay, so when your price is changing, so with that change in price your demand is not at all reacting, so ED is equal to 0. So in that case you'll be making this kind of diagram where it is vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. When price rises from OP to OP1 or falls to OP2, demand remains unchanged at OQ. Demand is vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. So if your price is this, then also demand is this much only. If your price increases or decreases, your demand is not changing at all. So you can see that when you have necessary goods and all that, so in case of necessary goods, even if your prices are increasing or decreasing, but your demand will remains the same. Diagram we'll see today. In this video we'll be talking about only this 3 diagram. Unitary elastic demand, when a percentage change in price leads to a proportionate change in quantity demanded, that means equal. Okay, so now you can see here, this is again unrealistic in nature. This particular concept is very much unrealistic in nature. You cannot say that the exact fall or rise in price will lead to the exact fall and rise of demand. Okay, that means अगर 50% price कम हो रहा है तो 50% ही demand बढ़ेगा. That is not possible. So this particular concept is theoretically applicable, but we have to learn it. That means 50 upon 50 is equal to 1. So in that case your ED is gonna be 1. So now there are 2 more types which we'll be doing in the next video. Thank you so much.